Ja, gut Shabbos. Gut Shabbos, a guten Shabbos. Gut Morgen, gut Jahr. Gut Shabbos, when it is Shabbos. Yeah, when it's Shabbos, you say good Shabbos. When you...
and then they say Shabbos back, they don't say...
Good Shabbos, good Shabbos, good Shabbos. Yeah.
Good Shabbos. How many times do you say it?
Good Shabbos, good Yontif. Yo, good Yontif. When it's a holiday.
Isn't that redundant? Redundant?
Good Yontif. It is redundant. It's a kind of a tautology. Yes, good Yontif. Good day. Yeah, but you say it anyway. Because Yontif means holiday. Good holiday. Good Yontif. When you say goodbye, wishing someone a happy Sabbath, Shabbos, you say a guten Shabbos. That is, remember a guten Tag, have a good day, a guten Shabbos. You would use it, this form with the article, with the indefinite article a, to say bye when you're taking leave of someone. A guten Shabbos. Have a good Shabbos. Ja, sei gesund, a guten Shabbos, a gute Nacht, a gute Nacht. Nacht?
Night.
Steht a Bocher und Tracht, a ganze Nacht. A gute Nacht. A gute Nacht. Schlafen. Geh schlafen. Schlafen, to sleep, yeah. A gute Nacht. Süße Chaloimes. Sweet dreams. Süße Chaloimes. Cholem, Chaloimes. Dreams. Süße Chaloimes. Sweet dreams. Gut. A gute Woche. When sagt man a gute Woche? When do you say a gute Woche? At the end of Shabbos, yeah? Shavua Tov. Have a good week. A gute Woche. You say it on Saturday night when Shabbos is over. You wish each other a gute Woche. Good.